Fatigue and a lack of energy have been problems for all my life. In an effort to find out why, I've asked doctors, read books, and finally decided that some questions just won't be answered in my lifetime. Fortunately, I've also learned that even without discovering the root causes of my tiredness, there are things I can do to alleviate it. Below are some energy boosters that have worked for me and others over the years. Try them to see which work best for you and use more than one at a time if necessary. 1. Energetic music. Different types of music have different effects on us, but you can learn which are best for you by trial and error. Once you find the music that wakes you up, keep it ready. Also find some music you can dance to. It will instantly lift your vibes and change your mood. Also, it will affect how you sound. 2. Sleep. It is recommended that we get 6 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Try drinking something warm before bed or relax with a simple meditation. 3. Talk about something interesting. Have you ever seen a tired person start to talk about something they're passionate about and suddenly wake up? It's a powerful technique you can use for yourself. Have a few favorite subjects that get you going. 4. Coffee. For some of us, caffeine makes us more tired when it's abused, but short term, it can work wonders. 5. Deep breathing. Several slow, deep breaths help oxygenate the blood supply better, and especially seems to wake up the brain. 6. Move your body. Sometimes just getting up and washing the dishes or walking around the house helps boost energy levels. 7. Exercise. It's not a quick solution, but many people notice an increase in the energy level when they get regular exercise. 8. Get outside. Often, a little sunshine and fresh air can be very energizing. Well, even if there is no sunshine, going outside can change you.